Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today I have a special unboxing. Why it is special? Because I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of what we are going to see in the future. And the sneak peek is from none other than but from the Tarmac. So before that, let's do one thing. I'm going to change this particular diorama or background, so just hang in there. Okay, so we are done with the setup. Now let me show you what you are going to see in the upcoming unboxings. But before that, I will show you the two cars I'm going to do unboxing right now in this video. So the first one is this GT-R. This 2015, not 14, 2015 Nissan GT-R R35. I just got out my hands on this one. I love Falken Livery, so I thought why not. And there is another Falcon you are going to see in this video. This is the latest release actually. This Falcon is the latest release from Tarmac. So these two I'm going to do the unboxing in this video. But for the future, let me show you guys what you are going to see. Isn't this amazing? Haha. Let me show you the next one. Look at this Mercedes. This is the Shmi Black Series Mercedes AMG. So you might be thinking that, okay, enough of the Mercedes for today, right? No, because we have one here. But that's not the end. We have another one. It's the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and it's a Lamley Group collaboration. You all guys know who's Lamley, right? He's a legend. Even many of my unboxings are actually inspired by him. He's an inspirational guy. I like him. Next up we have a Tarmac Land Rover Defender 110. I know, we have unboxed one few days ago, but it was from the Hot Wheels. We might compare it, we might not, because Tarmac and Hot Wheels totally different. Next up we have here a Koenigsegg Coast. It's a Regera. So we are going to do the unboxing for this car. I'll do a separate video for this actually. You see, there are some in the background and one is here. Oh, it's going out of the frame. Okay, the next we have is not a new release, but look at this thing. Look at this Pandem Mazda RX-7. I just love this car. I'll not talk much about it because we are definitely going to see an unboxing and I'll talk in that one. And last but not the least, it's one of my favorite actually. This is so beautifully designed. Italia GT3 from Ferrari. Look at this. So guys, if you have not subscribed yet, go subscribe the channel, because we are going to do a lot more cool unboxings and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. But for now, let's move all this stuff and do the unboxing for these two cars. So I'll bring the turntable and move all these. Give me a moment. So the turntable is here and so are the cars. Let me switch this up. Yes, it's working now. Okay, so let's move this and let's focus on this Falcon. Look at the card. So how do I open? Actually, I'm going to cut this piece from here only. I'll move it up and I'll pull this car out without damaging the card. I'll do that on off camera because it's a bit sharp and it's always tough to cut this thing up. So give me a moment. So I've cut this open and now let's pull the car out. So this way the card is not damaged, the blister is not damaged, and you are easily to pull the car out. See, here's your box. You are going to put your car in. It's a container box actually, made in the way like it's a container. It's a car. Look at this car. I was about to drop it. So simple yet so amazing because of this Falken Livery and because you know it's a GT-R. So let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look. So this is your GT-R in the Falken Livery. I really like the Falken Livery on this, the very first thing of course that you'll notice. Second, I like the wheels. I like the exhaust system they created. They try to paint it with the silver. It's really good. The headlights are good. The Falken Livery on the front is good. They tried to make a very perfect car. Most of the companies actually use white wheels. Some don't, like Greenlight, I guess. So this is perfect in a Falken Livery. It's a GT-R and then there's Falken Livery on it. What else a collector need? Now let's move to the next one. So guys, that was your Falken Livery GT-R, and now let's move to the next one. It's another Falcon. It's a Vertex Nissan Silvia S-13, one of the very latest releases from Mini GT. Initially I was thinking to pull the other Falcon cars I have in my collection, but I don't have many. There are like 4 or 5 cars, one from the Greenlight and 1 or 2 from the Tarmac, I guess. But then I thought I should not make this a very long video. If you guys want, I can make another one for all the Falcons. So do let me know in the comments what you want, guys. You want to see those Falcon cars or not? But for now, let's talk about this baby. This beautiful car. Look at that, man. Let's put this on the turntable and have a close review. Before that, because we have a parking mat now, let's park this car here. Doesn't this look cool? Yeah, let's move this box. It looks amazing actually. Let's have a closer review. Look at the carbon fiber hood with the Falken livery on it, the Falken logo on the top, the sides profile are really well. The rear is really well. It has a Vertex on the number plate. They tried to create even the exhaust separately, not like they created the one on the GT-R. You saw, they just painted. On this one, they did not. They actually created a separate piece for it. Damn good. It is damn good. This is like the ace game of the tarmac. Look at that radiator. The indicators, the lights, man, this is so cool. I love Falken liveries, and when the cars like this came out with so many detailings, I became a fan of the company that created this kind of diecast. I like it. I don't have many tarmacs in my collection except a few, but I guess I'm going to get more. So that was your Falken. So guys, that was your unboxing for today, the Falken special. Do let me know, what do you think about this unboxing? What do you think about these cars? Do I need to change the way? Do you like the setup? And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.